Welcome guys to our second holiday question. This one is a circular measure question. We've got this diagram. D lies on the side AB of a triangle, which is called ABC, and CD is the arc of a circle which has a centre at point A, and the radius is 2. So therefore we can say on this diagram here, we know that this length here, A to D, from here to here is also 2. And we know that BC, this length here, is 2 square root 3 centimetres. And we know that it's perpendicular to AC. So we've got a right angled triangle here. We've got to find the shaded region. Well, I hope you can see that we are going to do the area of the triangle, and then we're going to subtract the area of the sector, and that the area of the triangle is going to be half base times height, so it'll be half 2 square root 3 times the height, which is 2. That's the area of the triangle. Then we're going to subtract the area of the sector. Now we're doing this in radians, so it'll be half, and we go r squared theta. Now we want to go and work out over the side here. I want to work out what theta is. Theta is this angle here. What is it? How do we figure what theta is? Well, we can see this is a right angled triangle, and this is our opposite, and this is our adjacent. So we can use simple trigonometry. So I know that tan theta is equal to 2 square root 3 all over 2, and therefore theta is going to be the inverse tan of 2 square root 3 over 2. When you do this, make sure you've got your calculator set to radians. I'm getting for this that theta is equal to pi over 3. And now we can pop all of the data into here. Well, half of 2 is 1, so the area of the triangle is 2 square root 3 centimetres squared. Then we're going to subtract half r squared. Now r squared is 2 times 2, which is 4, so it's going to be 2 times pi thirds. R squared, 2. 2 squared is 4. Half of 4 is 2. And then we're timesing that by theta, which is this here. So our final answer for this is just going to be 2 square root 3 minus 2 pi over 3. And I would leave my answer in terms of pi and 3 because that's what we're being asked to do here in the question. Well, I hope you understood all of the process that we went through to solve that one. Take care.